Telegram
just introduce another feature that allows you to start monetizing your channel from 0 subscriber, and this particular new feature right here is going to help you make a lot of money online. And I'm going to simply show you everything about this feature so you can turn it on your channel even if you have 0 subscriber. So I'm going to simply show you this particular feature that allows you to monetize your Telegram channel and earn money via Telegram affiliate marketing. Okay, so Telegram just introduced an affiliate marketing program that allows users and channel owners to earn money simply by promoting bots and also mini app. Okay, I know recently you've been hearing about Telegram mini app, Telegram bot, and all of that. Okay, so if you can be able to promote some of these mini apps that were developed by individuals, then Telegram is going to simply pay you a commission for doing that. Okay, so if you want to learn how this works, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also join us on our Telegram channel and also on our WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. If you don't subscribe or join us there, you might not see my videos again and you might not meet some of these updates again. All right, if you've done that, welcome to the community. Okay, so this video right here, I'm going to simply show you how you can monetize your Telegram channel. So forget about the channel that I'm using right now. This is my Telegram channel. Forget about this particular channel that has over 2.9k subscribers. I'm going to simply show you the one I just created when I was doing that previous tutorials on how to create Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm going to simply use that channel with 0 subscriber to show you that you can monetize your channel right here on Telegram. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and create a Telegram channel for yourself. I've already made a video on how to create a Telegram channel. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to drop the video link in the video description so you can click there and watch the video on how to create a Telegram channel. Okay, and if you already have an existing Telegram channel which you've already created, then this is what you're going to simply do. You have to log into your Telegram channel, come to this header section, then you click on it. When you click on that, scroll down a little bit, click on this channel settings right here. When you click on channel settings, scroll down a little bit and you're going to simply see a feature which is here. Remember, I'm using this particular channel which has 2.9k followers. All right, so I'm going to simply use another channel which has 0 followers to show you that this is working without any subscriber. Okay, so if you come back to this section right here, you're going to see this particular feature that says affiliate programs. Okay, so I'm going to simply educate you on what this is all about, what you ought to do and what you ought not to do on this very platform to make your money. Right, so all you need to do is simply click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see this affiliate program. This is what they said: earn a commission each time a user who first accessed a mini app through your referral link spent stars within it. Okay, then you're going to simply earn a commission of what that particular person spent. Okay, so this is just like your normal affiliate marketing, all right, where you have to refer somebody to buy a product, and if that person buys a product, the owner of the product is going to simply give you a commission. That is what I've been teaching you right here. Okay, so if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, just go over to our YouTube channel, go to the playlist and go to the affiliate marketing / CPA marketing playlist. Then you're going to learn everything about affiliate marketing. Right, so when you come to this very section, this is what you're going to do. This particular platform right here allows you to make money simply by referring people to mini apps or bots. Okay, so you can simply earn stars like Telegram stars for free with this very feature. All right, so you can monetize your Telegram channel with this. All you need to do is simply come and you're going to see these are affiliate programs right here. Okay, so these are mini apps. So these mini apps right here you see here are going to simply pay you money. All right, so all you need to do is simply sort by profitability. All you need to do is simply pick some mini apps that you can easily go ahead and promote. Svin Broze, this one is accept Telegram stars, this one a Hex Cube, and a lot more. Okay, so for you to apply for any of these, doesn't really matter if you know them or not. All you need to do is simply go ahead and pick any of them, then research about what this particular mini app is all about. Okay, when you know what it's all about, then you know that your users can easily fancy it or maybe like it. All right, so for instance, if this proxy right here is maybe talking about VPN, all those kind of a thing, and I have an audience that would love to get this particular VPN or proxy mini app, all I have to do is simply click on it. When I click on it, I will click on this join program. Okay, you can see right here they said Xvine Proxy will share 79.9% of the revenue from each user you refer to it. So if you can refer somebody, one person on this very platform, you're going to be getting 79.9% of their revenue. Right, so this is what they have promised and they are going to simply fulfill it. That is how affiliate marketing works. For you to apply and also to promote this, you need to click on this join program. So click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see right here, they said copy link. Okay, so I'm going to simply copy this link. If I copy this link, I can share it to my audience right away. Then I'm going to simply make money. Okay, so you're not only limited to sharing this on Telegram. If you don't have audience on your Telegram, then you can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and lots more. Share this link on Twitter and get people to register or join via your link. Okay, so that is that for that. Remember, I told you that I'm going to simply use channel that we created from our last tutorial. Okay, that channel is Zero. I just decided to use that channel for a tutorial purpose. Okay, but I'm going to simply show you that you can also monetize your channel from 0 subscriber with this very video. Okay, so let's go back. You can see right here you can apply for all of these programs right here. If you keep scrolling, you're going to see more of them. All right, this is the channel, which is Padded Vibes. Okay, remember, this channel is basically for a tutorial purpose. I didn't intend to use it for anything. I just want to show you how to create a Telegram channel. Okay, so this is what we are having now. We have Padded Vibes channel, which has only 2 subscribers. Okay, so if I click on it, you're going to see channel settings. So if you click on channel section, you can see right here the monetization feature is also here, which is Telegram, which is affiliate program. Okay, so this is going to simply allow you to make money even without having any subscriber. But remember, when you create your Telegram channel, you have 1 subscriber, and that 1 subscriber is you, the Oga Patapata of them all. Okay, so that is you. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this affiliate program. When you click on that, you can see most of those affiliate programs that I saw on my channel. That is what I'm seeing right here. Okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and pick any of them. When you select this one, go ahead and click on join program. Okay, when you join, click on this copy link and share this link to your audience, and you make your money. Right, this is another secret way to make your money on Telegram without even having any subscriber at all. Okay, and this is going to simply work for you both on your Android, on your iOS, on your desktop, web browser, and lot more. Okay, so long as you are using Telegram and you are registered on Telegram, you can make money with this. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on Telegram channel to learn more on how to make money online. Don't forget to join us on our WhatsApp channel, and also click the link in the video description to know how everything works on our blog. Right, and I'm going to simply see you in my next video. And if you've not created your Telegram channel, the video showing your screen right now is going to simply help you to create your Telegram channel and monetize it. Okay, see you in that particular video.